There is a soaring balancer.
Let me tell you how to repair it.
If the rope is stuck, you can adjust the elasticity to the minimum firstly. You can adjust it with a wrench, but it will be sore. It is recommended that you use an electric wrench. It will be faster. There won't be any flexibility. Linear tensile elasticity. The inner wheel is adjustable. Then try to pull this wire rope. In this way, the soaring balancer can be used normally.